ladies, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sharde, and in this video I'm going to show you how to wax your own eyebrows. For this brow tutorial, I'll be using the GiGi Professional Waxing Kit. Before you begin to wax your brows, you want to make sure you cut up small wax strips. You don't want to put large wax strips on your face. And then you want to test the wax and make sure it's not too hot. Test it on your inner wrist. Afterwards, it's time to comb out that brow so you can see what you're working with. Next, you want to start to apply the wax in small sections. Spread the wax and then apply a wax strip. Hold your skin just a little bit and then remove your wax strip. Then you want to go over your brow and repeat the same process. The next step is to apply the wax between the brows. Place a wax strip over it. Hold your skin back just a little bit and then remove your wax strip. Next, you want to comb out your brow and remove any stubborn hairs with tweezers. Now it's time to fill in your brow. You want to use a brow color that looks natural.
I never felt the way I do about anyone but you. If I were to lose you now, I don't know what I might do.
Start to outline your brow with concealer and make sure the color is not too light. After you outline your brow, start to blend in the opposite direction.
It takes courage to admit the truth. I've been waiting forever. Didn't dream before, but now I do. Yeah, I can't wait together. You give me feelings I never felt before. Now I lost my mind waiting for you to make up your say back and help it. I wanna be with you all the time. You give me feelings I never felt before.
Next, you want to apply a brow wax or a brow gel to help your hair stay put. Repeat the same process. Apply your wax, apply your wax strip and remove your wax, comb out your brow, and then go at it one more time with the wax. After you remove this wax strip, then comb out your brow again, apply it over your brow, remove your wax strip, get any areas that you left out. If you missed any hairs at this point, you just go right in with your tweezers. you will repeat the process and fill in your brow the same way you did the last one. Blend your concealer in the opposite direction.